Hey, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing good. So, welcome to the new video of the market focus. So, in this market focus, we are looking at something different, especially for those that like synthetic indices. This is for you guys, and yeah. So, we're gonna be looking for to take buys here. Okay, let's see how the market's going to be moving, because the market is bullish, right? So what I'm going to be waiting for here is just looking for buys only. So the most important thing to do when the market is bullish, you just look for buys, because those are the high probability trades. If the market is going down, you look for sells, because that's the high probability trade, right? So if you're going to be like buying and selling all these let's say this push to the upside, you buying it, and then let me just do this so that my pen doesn't, yeah, there we go. And then this push the downside, you're selling it, and then this push the upside, you're buying it, and then this push the up downside, you're selling it, and then again you're gonna caught up when it comes to a push like this where it doesn't go down, right? And then it just reverses and pushes up, and then this way now you start losing all the money that you make, right? So stop doing those mistakes. And then if the market is going up, buy the market. If the market is going down, sell the market. Simple as that, right? So yeah, we're going to be doing a free lesson, right, where we're going to be trading with you guys, taking trades with you guys, breaking down all the trades that we're going to be taking. Some might call it a signal group, some might call it a free lesson, some might call it make money while you learn, whatever you can call it. But that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be trading with you guys. It's going to be for free. All the links are going to be below. The first link is going to take you to WhatsApp to chat with us. If you don't have WhatsApp, make sure that you reach us at on Telegram. That's where everything's going to be at, and then we're going to start chatting there, and then we're going to be adding you to the group. We only have limited seats because we don't want to be having a lot of people, and it's going to be difficult for us to manage, right? So first come, first serve. First link, take you to WhatsApp, chat with us. Second link takes you to Telegram, chat with us, and I'll catch you guys there. So now let's continue and go back to the video. So looking at let me just delete this, let's delete everything, guys. The chart has to be clean. A cleaner chart gives you a cleaner vision, right? So the vision has to be clear, right? You can't have a messy vision. So yeah, if your vision is messy, you're gonna get lost, right? Same as your chart. Make sure that you keep your chart clean. So I'm expecting price to come back here, right? Give us a retest, right, on our key level, and then this is where we're going to be looking to take buys, right? So this is going to be where we're going to be looking to take buys, and this is going to be my TP1. If it happens that the market closes here and then it pushes down, this is going to be my TP1. So wherever the market closes, it's going to be my TP1, right? And also this is going to be depending on my risk appetite, right? So if I'm going to be risking, let's say $10 on this trade, let's do this. If I'm going to be entering here, and then I'm going to be risking, this is $9 and then this is $10, right? If I'm going to be risking $10 on this trade, obviously my 1-to-1 is going to be my TP1, and obviously my TP2 is going to be my 1-to-2, right? So that's how I simply keep things, that's how I keep things simple, right? So if I'm happy with the $10, I'm out. If I'm happy with the $20, I'm out, right? So yeah. And also this gives an opportunity to scale in, or if you have two trades that are running, obviously you can like close the one when it hits 1-to-1, and then you can close another one when it hits 1-to-2, and so on, right? So yeah, so simple setup. Gonna be waiting for a retest on our key level, and then from there we're gonna be looking for buy opportunities here, and then we're going to be riding this buy to the upside, right? So this might not happen today. That's why patience is key in the market. If you are not patient enough, then obviously you won't be making money in the market. You will just be losing money, right? So yeah, it is what it is. Catch you guys on the next one. If you want to be part of the free signals learn and earn program, free lessons, whatever you call it, make sure that you book your seat ASAP. Link below on the description box. The first and the second link is where you're going to be able to chat with us, and then you're going to be trading with us. Beginners are welcome, advanced people are welcome. It doesn't matter, just come, let's make money together. See you guys on the next one. Cheers. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like. Let's take this channel to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. We only have 2 months left. I don't even count October. We have 2 months left, November and December. By the 31st of December, we must be celebrating 1,000 subscribers. I know we can do it with you guys. Okay.